DaVinci for beginners. So easy. Today we are going to learn how to replace a green screen in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. The first thing that you will need, just drag and drop your clip to the timeline. For this purpose, let's trim the video and make it short. Also, the second footage, your actual footage that you want to be shown, let's trim it and put it on the layer above your first video. Just move it on the side for now and select your first footage. This is the green screen that we are going to replace. Now go in Fusion tab and search in the effects panel for Delta Keyer. Once you find it, just drag and drop to our yellow line. Next thing that we are going to do, select the color picker, just drag it and drop it to our green screen. Move the effects so we have more workspace. Now we have light leaking from the side, so let's fix that. Change the mode to matte and select the matte option. First, let's fix the white light. Just drag the threshold. And now the gray one on the right side, just also drag until it disappears. And now we're great. And return to final result. Now go back to edit and our original footage need to be dragged to overlay the first footage. Scale it accordingly. I'll speed up this process. For this video to be short, this is not the precise work, but if you have time, you can just fine detail all your settings. Thank you for watching, and if you want more content like this, please subscribe.